Hello, friends. Let us start the dictation in 3, 2, 1. Start. The subject of judicial discipline and reasoned orders has considerable importance in the functioning of the legal system. It concerns not only courts and legal professionals but also ordinary citizens whose rights and responsibilities are governed by law. A careful understanding of legal principles shows that justice depends upon fairness, discipline, reliable evidence, and respect for established procedure. The independence of the judiciary is indispensable to the rule of law. Judges must decide cases without fear, favor, or external influence and must remain guided by the Constitution, applicable statutes, and established legal principles. Independence, however, exists alongside accountability, discipline, and adherence to judicial ethics. The authority of courts is strengthened when their functioning reflects impartiality, competence, and integrity. Access to justice must be meaningful for persons of every social and economic background. Legal aid, public awareness, and simplified procedures can help individuals who may otherwise be unable to protect their rights effectively. The justice system becomes stronger when citizens understand that lawful remedies are available and that disputes can be resolved through institutions rather than through force or private retaliation. A person who seeks relief before a court is required to place the relevant facts and available material on record. The opposite party must ordinarily be given a reasonable opportunity to answer the allegations and present a defense. This requirement reflects the principle of natural justice that no person should be adversely affected without a fair hearing. Procedural rules, therefore, serve an important purpose, although they should not be applied in a manner that defeats substantial justice. In criminal proceedings, the court must balance the interests of society with the legal rights of the accused. A person accused of an offense is entitled to a fair trial and must be treated in accordance with law. The prosecution is required to prove its case through admissible evidence, while the accused must receive a meaningful opportunity to defend the case. Judicial decisions should not be influenced by public pressure or unsupported assumptions. The ultimate object of a legal system is to secure justice while preserving liberty, equality, and public order. Laws must be applied consistently and public authorities must exercise their powers within legal limits. When an institution exceeds its authority or fails to perform a legal duty, judicial remedies may provide necessary correction. The rule of law requires that power should never become a substitute for legal justification. Reasoned judicial orders are an important safeguard against arbitrary decision making. Reasons show that the court has considered the relevant questions and applied its mind to the material before it. They also enable the parties to understand the basis of the decision and where the law permits challenge it before a higher forum. Clarity and consistency in judicial reasoning strengthen confidence in the legal system. Evidence occupies a central place in judicial proceedings. Allegations, however serious, cannot by themselves establish liability or guilt. Courts examine oral testimony, documentary material, and other legally admissible evidence before reaching conclusions. Witnesses may be examined and cross examined so that the reliability of their statements can be tested. The burden and standard of proof depend upon the nature of the proceedings and the applicable law. Delay remains a serious concern in the administration of justice. Prolonged litigation may increase costs, weaken evidence, and cause emotional as well as financial hardship. Effective case management, timely service of notices, and responsible conduct by parties can reduce avoidable delay. Courts may also discourage misuse of procedure where proceedings are instituted only to harass another person or postpone a lawful consequence. Technology has gradually transformed court administration. Electronic filing, digital access to orders, online case information, and virtual hearings have improved convenience in many situations. At the same time, technological systems must remain secure, reliable, and accessible. Digital progress cannot replace sound judicial reasoning, adequate infrastructure, or trained personnel. It should instead support the larger objective of making justice more efficient and accessible. The role of advocates is equally significant. A lawyer must protect the lawful interests of the client while maintaining professional responsibility towards the court. Proper preparation, accurate assistance, and respect for judicial proceedings contribute to the efficient disposal of cases. Unnecessary adjournments and avoidable delays can cause hardships to litigants and place additional pressure upon the justice system. Cooperation among all participants is therefore essential. The principles connected with the judicial discipline and reasoned orders, therefore, deserve continuing attention from courts, public authorities, legal professionals, and citizens. A justice system earns last respect when it remains accessible, impartial, and effective in practice. Every genuine grievance should receive fair consideration. Every exercise of public power should remain subject to law, and every judicial determination should reflect independent application of mind. These values strengthen democratic institutions and ensure that the promise of justice is translated into meaningful protection for all. Thank you.